In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Calendar events. If you've ever deleted a meeting or an important reminder by accident, don't worry. Google Calendar has a built-in safety net that makes it simple to bring those events back. First, open a web browser on your computer and go to https://calendar.google.com. This process works best on desktop. Make sure you're viewing the calendar for the account where the event originally lived, especially if you use multiple Google accounts for work and personal schedules. Once your calendar loads, you're ready to access the recovery area. Look to the top right of the calendar page for the gear-shaped icon. That's the settings menu. Click it, and from the options that appear, select Trash. The trash is where Google Calendar holds items you've deleted recently, typically for up to 30 days. If you can't find something older than that, it may have been permanently removed. Inside Trash, you'll see a list of deleted events along with details like the event name and when it was deleted. Now scan the list to find the event you want to recover. If you manage several calendars, you may see a filter that lets you choose which calendar's trash you're viewing. Make sure you're looking at the right one. For recurring events, you might see multiple entries. Check the titles, dates, and times to pinpoint the exact instance you need. Take a moment to confirm you've got the correct event, especially if you had multiple versions or similar names. When you've found the deleted event, click the restore icon next to it. It looks like a curved arrow. As soon as you click restore, the event is moved back to your main calendar, returning to its original date, time, and calendar. Guests, descriptions, and other details that were present at the time of deletion come back as well. If the event was scheduled in the past, it won't pop up in your current view. Navigate to the original date to confirm it's there. If you don't see the event in Trash, it may be older than the retention window, or it might belong to a different calendar. Also note that on shared or team calendars, you need the proper permission to restore deleted items. If you lack access, ask the calendar owner or your administrator for help. And that's it. By opening Google Calendar, clicking the settings gear, selecting Trash, finding your event, and hitting Restore, you can quickly recover deleted events and get back on track.